Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted, but I am back now. Um I wouldn't say I took a little break, but yeah, it was just necessary. I needed to face some real life situations. So yeah, I am back now and we are back first of all with this cleaning motivation. So as usual, I am here to motivate you to get up and clean your home. So this it's a whole lot of mess going on here, so let's get to cleaning. If you're new on here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. So yeah, and if you're old, welcome back again. Let's go. So you guys, I am so excited to be back. Like you guys, I haven't posted in almost, I think, in a month or almost 2 months now. It's not up to 2 months, but yeah, I hope I would never let it get to that. But yeah, I am back again. So you guys will be getting my videos as usual. Yeah, so I usually post on Tuesdays and I think Tuesdays and Fridays, but now I do Wednesdays and Saturdays. So one on the weekday and one on the weekend. I kind of like so people can catch up and all of that. So I now do Wednesdays and Saturdays. So that works best for me. Yeah, so I hope you guys, I'm just kind of like trying to update you guys so you know when to check my channel. And of course, if you turn on your notification, you're going to just get notified each time I post a new video. So yeah, I am so happy to be back doing this. It's been real, but yeah, I'm so happy to be back. And you guys are, like I said, I have some vlogs coming up and you guys are going to be getting more vlogs. I mean, you guys are still going to be seeing some cleaning videos and all, but you're going to be getting more vlogs. And I can't remember the last time I actually talked. Like, it's been a while since I did a voiceover for my cleaning videos. I've just been posting them like that without a voiceover, but I feel like whenever I kind of like go off like that and come back, I need to kind of like say something. Yeah, so I think I will be talking more on my cleaning videos back again. And yeah, you guys will be seeing more vlogs, daily vlogs, weekly vlogs, kind of like day in my life thing, because it's summer, so it's interesting right now. So I have some vlogs coming up and you guys are going to see that. I am excited for you guys to see that, and I hope you guys all welcome the new development. I mean, it's not like new, but you guys are going to be seeing more vlogs often, probably more than the cleaning videos. I don't know yet, or you guys are going to be getting both of them back to back to back. Okay, that's it. So yeah, I am so excited. I cut my hair because I was just tired of hair. I don't know, but you know how you cut your hair on impulse, like. But anyway, it's going to grow back and then I try to figure out what to do with it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. I'll definitely see you guys at the end. And let me just hold on, let me show you guys. Hold on. Okay, back here. So if you know me, you know that I am the queen of always trying to change everything. So if you can look at half of the kitchen, you see that I already put what is it called, the contact paper on there, and some of it does not have. So what happened was I ordered this contact paper and I wanted to make sure that it's something that I love, and then I started putting them and I realized I was actually thinking I ordered a whole lot, but I started putting them on and I realized that it was not going to be enough. I kind of like underestimated the, this countertop thing. So yeah, that's why half of it is not done and half is done, and now I have to wait for them to ship the remaining ones. So my kitchen is just kind of like this, but you guys are going to see the outcome. I just after everything, it kind of like made the kitchen brighter. It just made everything better, honestly, because I felt like the kitchen has a whole lot of dull colors in it, so I just had to add my little twist to it, and I got this. So yeah, I am excited for you guys to see the final results, and I hope you guys are enjoying this cleaning video. Please get up and clean, okay? Get up and clean. You can do it. You can. And I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video. I'll definitely see you guys at the end. Please watch till the end. Thank you. So yeah, if you've gotten to this part, please leave me some hearts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely be seeing you guys in my next one. And if you have not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that red subscribe button down and click the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. I'll definitely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.